Okay, I want to show you one more step of factorization, which makes it a little bit more complicated. If you get a sum that says 5p squared, take 20pq. Now what you can see here is that there is a p in this one and there is a p in that one, okay? Just like we were dividing, they would cancel each other out. They are still part of a family. So the highest common factor in these two is actually 5p, because 5 goes into that one and 5 goes into that one. P goes into that and so does p. So you go 5p as your outside number. Open your bracket. Well, 5p goes into 5p squared once. So we just put p. Okay, and then we say 5p goes into negative pq. It goes in 4 times, but we've already used the p, so we use the q, so we go negative 4q. Okay, let's do one more so that you makes that clear. Oh, let me get another color texter. Let's do this one. Okay, so this is 36b to the power of 4, e to the power of 4. Take 12 b2 c3 e2 plus 18c to the power of 5 and e to the power of 2. Okay, so first of all we look at the number 36, 12, 18. Well, it looks like 6 would be our highest common factor. But 6 what? There's an e in that one, and an e in that one, and an e in that one. There's a C, but not a C in there, and there's a B and B. So E actually is favorable to all of them. So we're actually going to make it 6E, okay? So then we're going to say, how many times does 6E go into 36B, E4, okay? So it goes in 6 times B to the power of 4, okay? And it goes in e to the power of o. So you actually keep that. I'm just seeing here how they did that. Okay. So because that was p to the power of 2 and that was just p, we made it just p because that's what's common. 1 is common. In this one, we've got b to the power of 4, e to the power of 4, e to the power of 2, e to the power of 2. So we're going to make it e to the power of 2, right? So we say 6e goes into there 4 times. But how many times does it go into there? It goes into e twice because we've got 2 here. Okay? Then we go, how many times does 6e squared go into 12bce? Okay, so it goes in negative 2. b2 remains the same. C3 remains the same, and E goes into E, so we don't put that in at all. Plus, 6 goes into 18 3 times C to the power of 5, and we don't put that last E in there. Okay, so important to see how many times it goes in. You've got to see which is the common factor between them. So that went in 2, that went in once. So therefore it only goes in once, okay, because they will both then go in once. This one went in 2, that was 4, and those are 2, so we keep it as 2, okay? Give them a go, and let's see how you go with that one.